Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LinkedIn for job alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for job alerts on LinkedIn, begin by visiting the LinkedIn website. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. Enter your email address and password to log in. If you are new to LinkedIn, click on the Join Now button. Fill in your personal details, including your email address and a password. Click the Agree and Join button to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. In the search bar at the top, type in a job title or keyword related to your desired position. Select the appropriate job from the drop-down list that appears. On the job description page, you'll find options to apply. Look for the Create Job Alert toggle switch. Click the toggle switch to enable job alerts for your searched position. You can customize your alert settings by selecting the frequency of notifications. Choose whether you want to receive alerts via email or the LinkedIn app. After making your selections, click on the Save button. Now your job alert is set up. You will receive notifications for new job postings matching your criteria. To manage your job alerts, go to the Jobs section from the main menu. Click on Job Alerts from the sidebar. Here, you can edit or delete your alerts as needed. That's it. You're now ready to receive job alerts on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.